Lately, many Pilates classes have leaned into a hard, sweaty kind of workout. This workshop from Alicia Head offers a powerful counterpoint, an invitation to slow down and give your body one big, luxurious yawn. Join Alicia as she gently guides her model through a series of movements that center around pandiculation, that instinctive stretch and release you might do when waking up. This may sound like a stretch class, but it's so much more. You'll learn a full-body sequence of slow, expansive exercises designed to help you feel taller, calmer, and more deeply connected to yourself. Marie José Blom calls this kind of session working in, not working out. And that's exactly what you'll experience here, a subtle yet deeply effective approach to movement. Don't be surprised if you start mirroring the pandiculations without even thinking about it. It just feels that good. Sometimes slowing down is the most powerful move of all. We hope you enjoy this workshop and never stop learning.